Hey y'all, today we got this Bennington pontoon in. As you see, it's super dirty. It's got leaves everywhere. I already swept most of them out that I could. The way to make your life easier when you come across something like that's this bad is to get everything out of the compartments and then sweep out most of the leaves and dust you can. And then you're gonna bring your vacuum cleaner in and go ahead and vacuum in these compartments. Because once you vacuum in here and then you bring the water in here, you don't want to be sucking up water. So make sure you vacuum in here first and then bring the water in and have at it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're halfway done vacuuming. Barry's doing the other half down there. As you see, it makes your life a whole lot easier. I mean, there's some hard dirt in there that you can't get. And I will say, if you come across a pontoon or any boat that's been sitting for years, or you better ask the customer how long it's been sitting, because you will come across bees' nests or snakes. Luckily, we have not came across any snakes, but one time we did a pontoon last year, and as soon as we opened up the seat, just like that, it was a whole big ass nest connected to the back of the seat, and they started swarming everywhere. And we was on a lift about 20-30 feet up in the water, and there was no way to get out but one exit. And what happened was this Barry got off the one exit that was available, and like say it was over here, I was not about to run through where the bees were, so I had to go right here. It was 20-30 feet up, okay, and the customer had like a dock. I jumped on the seat and like jumped over to the dock somehow. I don't know, but that was a total fight or flight experience, and we did get stung. So you better ask if their boat's been sitting for a while, because that one was sitting for years and nobody touched it. You will come across bees. Alright, now we're going in with Start Yacht Care's mildew clean. We buy a whole gallon and we put it in our pump sprayer and spray the seat. Just like that. You want to spray far away with the pressure washer. You never really want to get out close to the pressure washer or you will rip the seat. I'm going to spray all in here too. That stuff, hard dirt that the vacuum would not get up. And then I start pressure washing back here. You can see how bad it really actually is. I'm going to get them there and here. And then after we're done washing in here, we're going to dry the seat and put on UV vinyl protectant. And we're going to wipe down any water I might be sitting on the panels or anything. Then last, we're going to do our outside wash the panels and come back in here to make sure no soap came in here. If there is any soap, we're going to dry it up. But it's pretty self-explanatory, super easy. Do the port last, work from the back, and work your way up if you're done anytime. Mostly done in here. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and wash the outside. Then we're going to come in here and get this water out, dry it up, dry the seats off, and put on our UV vinyl protection. Now look right here. You might be better off just buying a water pump and pumping it out, but I guess with my vacuum, I'm going to have to suck this out because I do not want to leave that there. As you see, the vacuum does not get all the dirt. It's all dried up. This off. Let's go ahead and finish up. Now for our start, we're going in with Start Yacht Care Pure Clean. Just squeeze a little bit in there. This stuff stuff is very concentrated. I even use this on cars now, and it does phenomenal. Okay, we are all done. It took about 2 hours to do. It's super clean here. Dry it out in there. Now we're just going to put on our seat protectant, and we're all done.